Hello guys, welcome to this YouTube channel Crypto Hope TV, and as the name implies, hope. So I'm here to give you guys hope. Okay, so there are various ways by which you can make money on cryptocurrency. You can either make money through spot trading or through future trading. Well, a lot of you really know how to make money through future trading, either by holding or by scalping. But then I want to show you how to make money through future trading. Though I know future trading can be quite complicated, and also you could easily get your money liquidated if you are not careful. So that's why I will be showing you some of the top guys that release free signals to make you earn cool cash on future trading easily in less time. So don't go anywhere, stick with me and click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel while I take you to go and show you their handles on Twitter. So let's go. So I have two guys, and the two of them, they are friends, and all their calls that they have been making on cryptocurrency space has been legit, like 100% legit. So let's go. This is the first guy, Z Yakuza. It's a Moroccan. He's from Morocco, and he releases top mad signals. So I would really advise you come over here to follow his Twitter handle. Then the second guy also, the two of them are running the business together, whereby they have a Discord channel where they drop free signals. You are not paying any dime for these signals. It's totally free. All you just have to do is whenever you make those money, you make those cash on your signals, on the signals you collected from them, you retweet it on Twitter and you tag them. That's all you just need to do. So let's go down. So this is Z. As you can see, several guys have been retweeting the money they made from Z's call. So I'm going to take you down to one of the most important guys you need to follow, which is the owner of the Discord channel. So this is him, Crypto DeFi Lord. So you go over to Twitter and you search out Crypto DeFi Lord. So this is Crypto DeFi Lord, and is the owner of the Discord account. So as you can see, a lot of guys have been thanking him for the signals. He drops them for free. Whether the market is rising or falling, he drops signals, and they are legit free. I've been benefiting from it, and I felt you should as well benefit from it. And make sure you're using your spare cash to trade, okay? Because this is not a financial advice. Use your spare cash and collect these free signals, and you are good to go to earn yourself cool cash. So after you follow him, you come over here and you go and follow their Discord account, which is Crypto Village. So this is Crypto Village. This is where they post most of their various links and signals that their members do call. So you come over here on this Crypto Village. This is their Discord account. You click on it and it takes you straight into their Discord page. So when you get there, it's loading. Just be patient a little. It's loading. Okay, well, I've already registered. I think it's network that is delaying. Okay, we're there. Good. So this is it. You click on accept invite. Now it takes you straight into the Crypto Village channel. Yeah, you're already a member, so never mind. So as you can see, this is their channel. Okay, so they have some of their members that drop calls. As you can see, it is titled calls. So on this place called Crypto, the three guys I mostly follow is Z Call. Are you saying it? Z Call. I also follow Crypto Lord Call because he's the owner of the account, and virtually 90% of his calls are legit. Then I also follow Kelvin Calls. Like, this is my teacher, he's the one teaching me everything I know about it. So if you really enjoyed this video, why not subscribe to our YouTube channel for more of these lovely crypto videos to give you hope. Goodbye.